Senior Golang developers swear by defer for maintaining clean and efficient code. Learn this powerful technique and join the pros. What is defer? Defer is a keyword in Golang that postpones the execution of a function until the surrounding function returns. This is especially useful for cleaning up resources, like closing files or database connections. A simple example. Let's say we want to open a file and ensure it's closed properly. Why use defer? Using defer makes your code more readable and less error-prone. It ensures that resources are always cleaned up, even if your program encounters an error. Multiple defer statements. You can use multiple defer statements in a function. They are executed in a last-in, first-out order. Real-world example. Database connections. Defer is often used to manage database connections. By mastering the defer keyword, you can write cleaner, more efficient, and more reliable Golang code. So, start using defer today and join the ranks of professional Golang developers.